Look, your marketing is not failing because you're lazy. Your marketing is failing because you're scattered. Every trend, every tactic, every hack. You're spinning and you're not winning. And the longer you stay here, the more expensive it becomes. Growth occurs when you align three things: what you believe, how you behave, and how you communicate. And when you align what you think, what you do, and what you say, you establish trust, you simplify marketing, and you create momentum. For the last couple of decades, I've helped global brands align their strategy, their actions, and their messaging to create growth that lasts. I've worked in the rooms where those billion-dollar decisions have been made. And I know that the foundations used to drive growth in the world's biggest companies and the world's biggest brands are the exact same foundations that you can use to drive growth in yours. You just haven't had access to them until now. This isn't just another marketing course that's filled with tips and tricks and shortcuts. It is a step-by-step system. It is a proven framework that simplifies marketing and ensures that every action reinforces your unique positioning. So that clients show up ready to buy, so that your team can sell without you being in the room, so that your marketing builds confidence, not confusion. Look, you don't need more tactics. You need clarity. You don't need more content, you need conviction. You don't need more noise, you need alignment. You don't need chaotic marketing, you need effective marketing. That's marketing for growth. Stop spinning, start winning. Come on, let's get to work.